I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi if it's lost or if you cannot find any Wi-Fi options. So the first thing is go to the start, to the menu, then look for device manager, click on it, and then scroll down and get the network adapters option. Select your network adapter, in this case is Realtek. Right click on it and update driver, and then this pop-up will open. Click on browse my computer for drivers, then go down to click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, then select the adapter and then click on next. So the adapters will be installed and then your Wi-Fi will be back. If this does not work, go to your search bar and search for network reset. So open and then click on reset now. So the system will reset all your network settings. And then within a few minutes, about 5 minutes, you'll be signed out and the system will restart, and I believe your Wi-Fi should be back. And there we have it. The network is back.